This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a new product alert. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. So as of August 18th, Laos rubber base coat became available. Now, I was so excited when they sent this over because this is not your regular base coat, and we're gonna get into that right now. So this rubber base coat is an essential for everyone who wears their natural nails. Now, this is a nude rubber base coat. It's opaque, it's thicker than our regular base coat cover base gels, so the free edge does not show through. It is very flexible with extreme adhesion to natural nails. This base can be used as a base for any material. It makes for gel manicures to last longer, more durable, and prevents your nails from peeling. It makes your nails more flexible, meaning they will bend, but they will not break. They won't break easy, y'all. And it is very easy to apply and remove since it's just a soak-off gel polish. So for any of if you're doing extensions, anything acrylic, this is literally your base. This is what you start with. And how dreamy is this nude? The light pink has me drifting off into the clouds. Cotton candy clouds, as Mama would say. I can't get over how gorgeous this nude is. So we had to do a little demo, y'all. I took out white and silver chrome, which I purchased myself. And I am just quickly doing a smile line so we can allow this base coat to shine. Now, you can do what I'm doing, because I really wanted that color of the base coat to shine, or you can completely put a different color on top. This base coat is just meant to strengthen your nails. And for all of you beautiful humans that got to watch this review from Mama Does Nails, she let us know that there is no heat spikes. So this is a revolutionary polish, y'all. You guys need this. So if you guys would like to have this in your collection, you can feel free to use Raven's Nail Bar 30. And that will get you 30% off of all of your Madam Glam needs. I cannot get over how dreamy this nude is. Like, I could not cover her up. Now, you're supposed to, but I just really wanted to let her shine. Now, the reading that I just did was from their website. I will also include a brief screenshot scrolling through the website so you can see what you'll find if you look for Laos as well. Now, some really interesting information is Destination Laos. Now, Laos is a Southeast Asian country traversed by the Mekong River and known for mountainous terrain, French colonial architecture, hill tribe settlements, and Buddhist monasteries. Vientiane, the capital, is the site of the Luang Monument, where is that reliquary? I don't even know how to say that, but reported houses of the Buddhist breastbone. So that was just a little write-up. I'm so sorry for anything that I butchered. I am not from this country, but I thought it was so beautiful that Madam Glam brought us there. So Laos is sandwiched between Thailand and Hong Kong, and it is also very close to Vietnam. I am in love with this nude. This is a must-have, and especially for y'all that do your natural nails, you need to get this. And even if you don't just paint your natural nails and you add enhancements or anything else, this is your base. So you would be amiss if you do not add this to your collection. Now, earlier I read through about the Laos rubber base coat. It retails for $21.95, but you can get it for $10.95 if you have VIP. Now, this is just the brief the description that I read, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending out this gorgeous nude base coat, rubber base coat. That is the important part. Because it's rubber, it's more thick and it adds more strength, y'all. So no more brittle nails if you get yourself some Laos. Love you so much, my beautiful nail family, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. We have some really fun projects upcoming. There will be a pudding gel optical illusion vertical trend. It's going around, y'all, and I'm going to be featuring that on the channel. Alongside, we are going to Hey for the Moana character art. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of that future content. Can't wait to see you in the next one. And remember, do all things with love. I hope this video found you so well. I can't wait to see you in the next one.